हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में ट्रिक्स ऑन हाइपरबोला, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेचर ऑफ द हाइपरबोला, क्वेश्चंस ऑफ हाइपरबोला इज बीइंग टेकन फ्रॉम द जेईई मेन PYQs और हाँ, सर्कल, एलिप्स, पैराबोला की वीडियोस पब्लिश हो चुकी हैं। राइट, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन। Let one focus of the hyperbola x square upon a minus y square upon b equal to 1 be root tan 0 and the corresponding directrix be x equal to a by e. If e and l respectively are the eccentricity length of the Latus Rectum of h, then 9e square plus l is equal to 4 options are given to one of the option is correct. Right? Concept applicable in solution. According to question, hyperbola is this one. This is horizontal one. Horizontal, in which x square term is positive. X square term is positive. Now, this is the principal axis, right? This is the Foci. A is 0. According to question, A equal to given a root 10, 0. Directrix is a line perpendicular to principal axis is this one. A by E equal to root 10. 9 by root 10. A equal to root 9 by root 10. Then to find 9 E square plus L means length of Latus Rectum is 2b square upon A. Latus Rectum is line passing through the focus perpendicular to the principal axis. Passing through the focus perpendicular. Its length is L dash. So means if we know from this information, we can find out eccentricity. So eccentricity will come out to be A by E equal to, this is 9. From this information, A comes out to be 9A upon root 10. From उसमें put कर दिया 9A upon root 10 into E equal to root 10. Then E square comes out to be 10 upon 9. E comes out to be root 10 by 3. Root 10 by 3. And therefore, A की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए. A equal to root 10. Then A root 10 by 3 equal to root 10. A comes out to be 3. You know relation between B square equal to A square, E square minus 1. Ellipse के केस में 1 minus E square, hyperbola केस में E square minus 1. So 9, 10 by 9 minus 1, that is 1 by 10, that is B square equal to 1. Therefore, value of 9L square plus M, that is twice B square by E square by L. E square by L. That is L equal to 2B square, 2 into 1 divided by 9. 2 by 9. So 9 E square होगा 10 by 9 plus 2 by 9 on simplification 12. 12 is the answer. Right? C option is the correct option. In this case, I will give the additional information. A0 minus A0 is the vertices. Transfer axis कौन सी होती है जिसपे फोकस नहीं करता है? One is transfer axis 2A. Conjugate axis 2B. Transfer axis may be greater than less than the conjugate axis. In ellipse, why it has been named? Because in that case, major axis was there, minor axis is there. Major is always major one, right? This is the center. BB dash conjugate axis 0B 0 minus B, right? Focus directory property क्या है? PS upon PM equal to E. This is a focus directrix property. In this case, hyperbola is greater than 1 always. If it is negative 1, yeah, negative or yeah, positive, para hyperbola will be vertical. Right? Next question. Question is, let even and to be the eccentricity of the ellipse x square upon b square plus y square upon 25 equal to 1. And the hyperbola x square upon 16 minus y square upon b square equal to 1 respectively. If b is less than 5, then even e2 product with eccentricity equal to 1. Then the eccentricity of the ellipse having its axis along the coordinate axis and the passing through all the four foci. 2 of the ellipse and 2 of the hyperbola is 4 options are given to you. One of the option is correct one. Now question is, one is ellipse. Ellipse is x square upon b square plus y square upon 25 equal to 1 and given a b is less than 5. As denominator of y square greater than denominator of x square. Therefore, nature of ellipse is vertical. Nature of ellipse is vertical. And even will be equal to under root 1 minus b square upon a square. Here a square is equal to 25, b square equal to b square. So that comes out to under root 1 minus b square upon 25. Similarly, hyperbola. Check the hyperbola nature kya hai iski. This is x square upon 16 minus y square upon this x square upon 16 minus y square upon b square equal to 1. As y square term is negative, y square term is negative. That is, x square term is positive, and therefore nature is horizontal. And here a square is 16 and b square is b square. And e2 will be equal to under root 1 plus b square upon a square. On simplification we get 1 plus b square upon 16 under root. Now as E1 into E2 equal to 1 under root 1 plus minus b square upon 25 into 1 plus b square upon 16 equal to 1. On simplification we get b square equal to 9. Now further, now ellipse will be x square upon plus y square upon 25 and 9 equal to 1. And hyperbola is x square upon 16 x square upon 16 minus y square upon 9 equal to 1. Eccentricity, this is under root 1 minus b square over a square. That is under root 1 minus 9 upon 25. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Therefore, A will be equal to 64 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5, that is 4. As ellipse is vertical, therefore foci will be 0 plus minus 4. 0 plus minus 4. Similarly, in this case, E2 will be under root 1 plus b square upon a square. That is under root 1 plus b square 9 upon 16, that is 5 by 4. A will be equal to 5/4, तो A is 3, AE 4, 4 into 5/4, that is 4. Therefore, Foci will be plus minus 50. This is horizontal. Now, according to question, as ellipse passes through all the foci, that is 0, plus minus 4, and plus minus 5, 0. This is greater. So ellipse will be ellipse will be ellipse will be ellipse will be horizontal. Ellipse will be horizontal, and that will be equal to like this. These are the passing through this 0, 5, sorry, 5, 0, minus 5, 0, 0, 4, 0, minus 4. Therefore, A equal to 5, B equal to 4. These are the vertices. The equation will be x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. Therefore, eccentricity equal to under root 1 minus b square upon a square, that is 1 minus b square. 16 upon 25, that is 3/5. This is the answer. Let's check it. 3/5. C is the correct answer. Right? Next question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Statistics Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Statistics Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Statistics Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website statisticslearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, let the Foci of hyperbola be 114 and 1 minus 12. If it passes through the point 16, then the length of the Latus Rectum is. 4 options are given to one of the options is correct. Right? Now, according to question, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, this is 1, this will be 1, देखते हैं क्या point आता है, 1 1 आएगा ये. This is 114 and this is 1 minus 12. This is 1 0. Right? Now, it means nature of hyperbola. Hyperbola is vertical. Like this. Like this. Like this. Right? Therefore, equation hyperbola भी तो वर्टिकल में क्या होगा, वाई स्क्वायर की टर्म पॉजिटिव होगी, वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. राइट? Now, according to question, distance between foci, that is twice JEE equal to this will be distance between these two will be 14 minus 12, that is 26. So this comes out to be AE comes out to be 13. AE comes out to be 13. Its center will be this. इसकी coordinates निकालने तो 40 minus 12 2 2 1. This will come out to be इसका center आएगा 1 1. 1 1 will be the center. 1 will be the center. Therefore, equation of hyperbola when y minus 1 whole square upon a square minus x minus 1 whole square upon b square equal to 1. Right? Now, according to question, it passes through on the point है, let's check, 1 6. 1 6. Therefore, this will be 625 by a square minus 0 equal to 1. A square comes out to be 25, that is a comes out to be 5. Right? E की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए, a equal to 13, तो e equal to 13 upon 5. तो b square equal to a square 1 minus e square minus 1, that is 25 upon e square. 169 upon 25 minus 1. 25 से 25 कट जाएगा, 144, तो b square comes out to 144. A पता B पता, तो length of latus rectum, that comes out to twice b square upon A. Twice into 144 upon 5, that is 288 upon 5. This is the answer. Main thing to identify the nature is horizontal or vertical, right? So D option is the correct option, right? Next question. Question is, let x square upon y, a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. And h hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. Let the distance between the foci of E and foci of H be this. Then distance between foci of ellipse and distance between foci of hyperbola is same. If A minus C equal to 2, then the ratio of the eccentricity of each is, the ratio is 1 by 3. Then sum of the lengths of their latus rectums is equal to, 4 options are given to, one of the options correct. In this question, I will explain the procedure only, not the calculation, and I will tell the what is the correct answer. In this case, it is mentioned A is greater than B, means nature is horizontal. As denominator of x square is greater than denominator of y square, right? In this case, hyperbola case, as x square term is positive, therefore nature is horizontal. Distance between the foci of ellipse, one is twice AE, another is twice A, E ले लिया, ये E H ले लिया, दोनों की इक्वल, that is distance is given to A minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3, 2 root 3, and A minus A is given to 2. A minus A is given to 2. Means आप इससे relation इससे लेगा, and also it is given E upon EH equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So find A, B and B. ठीक है? Find sum of latus rectum. Ellipse के केस में क्या होगा? E equal to B square equal to A square 1 minus E square. और इस केस में क्या होगा? B square equal to A square E square minus 1. सम लगा दीजिए 2b square upon a 2b square upon a इन दोनों का सम कर दीजिए दैट विल बी द आंसर दैट इज द सिंपल प्रोसीजर option D is the correct in this one you can find it yourself I have explained the procedure here right now I would like to request if you are new to my YouTube channel City Shift Learns please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.